Increase in food production, green revolution, milk production, white revolution, fisheries production, blue revolution, fertilizer, brown revolution, paddy, khera caused by zinc deficiency, sugar cane, red rot, stem rot, pigeon pea, wilt disease, potato blight. MS Swaminathan, green revolution, LK Jha, taxation, VG Kurian, milk production, Morarji Desai, social control and bank. National Agriculture Insurance Scheme was introduced in India in 1999. Golden Revolution, horticulture, food production. White Revolution, milk production. Blue Revolution, fishery production. Green Revolution, cereal production. Red production, tomato production. Brown Revolution, fertilizer production. Silver production, egg production. Yellow Revolution, oilseed production. With reference to which crop the Green Revolution take place? Wheat and maize. Agriculture Commission India was established in which year? 1965. Which the following item was not included by National Food Security Mission objective? Increasing production, oilseed. NAFED associated with marketing of agro products. The impact of Green Revolution was felt mostly on the production of wheat. Which was the main plant used in Green Revolution? Mexican wheat. Which among the following is largest producer of pulses in India? Madhya Pradesh. Success of Green Revolution depends upon high yielding variety seeds, enough irrigation facility. Agriculture income tax in state list. Replacing the ये सब ये नहीं चेक करना होगा क्रॉप. Which of the following institution provides maximum credit to agriculture and allied corporation? Commercial bank. माइनस में ग्रोथ था 2004 से 5 के बीच में. Cause of low productivity in Indian agriculture is all of following of more than necessary people, a small size of field, backward technique of production. ब्लू रेवोल्यूशन किस संबंधित है? फिश से है. कोऑपरेटिव बैंक फार्मिंग के सबसे बड़े फार्मिंग के कौन ये थे पैरोकार थे? तो चरण सिंह थे. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एग्रो फाइनेंसिंग? पर्पज, पर्सन, पर्सन सभी नहीं है. राज वैरायटी मिलेट है जो स्टैटिक में. एगमार्क एक्ट कब आया था? तो 1937 में आया था. राष्ट्रीय विशेष कृषि उत्पाद योजना एक्सपोर्ट एग्रीकल्चर प्रोड्यूस के. द प्राइस एट विच गवर्नमेंट परचेज फूड ग्रेन्स इज मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस. Second green revolution proposed by pre-invention doesn't include encouraging direct foreign investment. Crop insurance is under monopoly of their general insurance company. Which of the following crop are grown mostly under subsistence farming? Millet and rice. Which sector got high rate of growth in cooperative units? Sugar. Which state is the largest producer of tobacco in India? Uttar Pradesh. Bahar is a popular variety of pigeon pea. Leading producer of sugarcane? UP, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Pulsa board is a variety of mustard. Which country produces sugar from sugar beet only? Ukraine.